All right, Nine Spiral. Welcome to Enter the Dragon Part 6. La Palma, the damn cooking pot. Alright? Y'all ready? Let's rock. Mm-hmm. See, he came back like, what the hell? Alright, y'all, you know how we started off. For those newcomers, what's this dragon business? Alright? We're just talking about angels. Alright? Dragon, code word, angel. Alright? And so we dodge all hijack at all costs. In 2023, you should be able to dodge your own damn hijack. 1828 Noah Webster Dictionary. We're just talking about a kind of winged being, all right? Fiery. You're going to see that meteor, dragon, meteor, dragon, swith, ye dracons of the night, huh? Fierce. You're going to see that. Violent. You're going to see that also. And all these attributes can also equal a person, huh? All right, we're in online etymology. All right, meteor, dragon, angel. We're just talking the celestial phenomena, things in the Shamaim above heaven, above the celestial phenomena, huh? Celestial phenomena. All right, well, how about down here on earth? High up, raised from the ground, hanging, all right, lifted up, suspended, hovering in air. You're going to see some hovering. Fireball, pay attention to fireball. All right, now down here on earth, what do? They control the elements: wind, rain, snow, luminous meteors, aurora, rainbows, all right, all of the above, including lightning. And so when we go back to Noah Webster, we're also talking about a priest king, Prester, short for priest king. And we're still talking a meteor that can also be what? A person. And that can do violent, fierce, angry stuff. And so don't get spooked by the dragon, because it is just the form, huh? The alchemical dracon represents the philosophical quicksilver. Unlike ordinary mercury, the philosophical quicksilver is a mysterious, all right, straight from the heavens of unknown origin. And from this, what? The living ruach spirit can be extracted, while the dracon does not represent this living ruach. It is the vessel, the form, the form in which the ruach is contained. Huh? And so, who are these hornets in Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 20? What is the conquest in Deuteronomy chapter 7? What's going on with these hornets, huh? But this is simple. You see, modern Hebrew changed letters that ought not to be changed. And so you see here, uh, Benner argues that these group of letters, Hebrew letters meaning yellow, has no connection to its parent root, meaning wall. All right? Even gold and shit like that. But when we mosey on down, all right, before they started changing Hebrew letters, all right, and we're going to get back into that Daniel 9, all right, y'all capitalize Messiah. There's no capital letters in Hebrew. And so Christians and of like-minded, we need to have a talk. Consider that these group of letters means what? Burn or scorch. Is a balsam to place a burn. These group of letters communicates the ideals of what? Smelt. Smelt, refined, test. All these words seem to be related to heat. And not only that, excessive heat. Read. Huh? Read on. Read. Huh? Come on. All right. And the Most High created the great Tanin. All right. The great dragons. Now, why would the Most High call them great if it's an evil serpent? Huh? And so you're not going to get around the word. All right. Unlearn everything you've been taught and don't get spooked. All right. Seraph, still a dragon. All right. You're not going to be able to get around that word. All right. Uh, Chalkadri. All right. And these are just different orders of angels. All right. And here you have in these videos, you know, big ass wing coming down out the sky. All right. And slinging lightning. All right. So we're actually seeing. All right. Nine Spiral isn't just walking a doggy and going through the information. All right. Because we're in the information business. We're not trying to convince anybody. It is just the form. All right. You're talking angel that can also be a person. Huh? And so what happened in Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 20 through 22? Moreover, the Most High thy power will send excessive heat among them until they that are left and hide themselves from you be destroyed. Huh? And thou shalt not be affrighted at them. Why? For the Most High thy power is among you, and a mighty power and terrible. Huh? You see, we're just talking about the secret things. The secret things. Deuteronomy 29:29. The secret things belong to the Most High. our power. But those things which are revealed, what are we talking, my tribe? Truths belong to us and to our children forever, that we may do all the words of our law. Now, it is important, Israel, that you understand how terrible your power is. Psalms 47, verse 1 through 3. O clap your hands, all ye people. Shout unto Hawa with the voice of triumph. For the Most High is what? Terrible. And they are a great king and queen over all the earth. We're just talking your father and your mother above. And they shall subdue the people under us, huh? And the nations under our feet. But they gonna do it. And so, that being said, Psalm 66, verse 1 through 5, all right? Make a joyful noise unto Hawa, all ye lands. Sing forth the honor of their name. And make their praise glorious. Say unto Hawa, how terrible art thou in thy works. Through the greatness of thy power shall thine enemies submit themselves unto thee, huh? Terrible. Verse 5. Come and see the works of Hawa, for they are what? Terrible. And they're doing towards the children of men. All right, let's see. All right, y'all. This is my third go round at this video. All right, just in case, I don't know if it's YouTube that's blurring this out or my adversaries. All right, I do have adversaries that try to stop every video that I make. All right, and so they're monitoring my devices. In case they do, let me explain. When this guy zooms in, all right, to La Palma, you're going to see these circles in grid shape, perfect grid shape. All right. Now that's impossible. All right. So if they blur it out and you hear me talking, uh, matter of fact, I'm going to try not to say nothing. I'm going to see if they'll let him rock. But if not, this is what he's explaining. But at least we're getting the visuals. All right. So up yours, my adversaries. Let's go. Mm-hmm. All right, he just said it seems to be getting some help, artificial help, that is. All right, just trying to keep y'all informed. All right, we're zooming in. All right, and we keep trying to tell y'all that these are indeed dragon caverns. All right. Now watch as he fly past. Right. You're going to see the wings. There you go right there. All right. As you can see, he flipped the switch on. Now he's a light source. All right. See that? See that? All right. The Most High said, "Come see." So we're going to take a look for ourselves. You see that? See that? See that? All right, y'all. My bad. I forgot to mute that. All right, but we're live. That's what I'm trying to tell you. We're live. You see that? Don't worry about it. I got you. All right, and so it makes sense to me that they were in grid patterns. All right. Now look at my man's right here. My man's has got wings and shit. All right, we're just talking fireball. We're just talking fireball. All right, y'all. We live from La Palma, y'all, and we're showing you, right? And we're showing you. All right, we're in slow mo, and so uh, they were all over the island of La Palma, right? Yeah. And so we bagging up what we showing you. All right. How awesome. We giving you the visuals to go with it. You see what I'm saying? All right, now my man's right here is filming the sky, right? And this is right above his head. This is not the stars. All right. Cause his son gonna be like, yo, Papa, what the hell going on? Papa. But this is right above his head. All right, y'all translate out there for me. In my mind, he's saying, Papa, what the hell is above us? All right, I need y'all to zoom in and look closely with your eyes. All right, see that? See that? See that? See that? And so, man, we got to be talking about hundreds, right? Hundreds. All right, y'all, we live. We live at the La Palma, by far One of my favorite scenes. All right, we want to give a shout out to the people that was brave enough to pull out their damn camera and start filming the Most High's work, man. Most High said, "Come see." All right, this is what we're doing. We came to see. All right, get your popcorn. We live. All right, here was that. Now, I've seen this before, right? This light at the bottom. Remember at Sakurajima, we saw the same thing. So this light source you see flickering at the bottom is igniting this dragon cavern. All right, because it's no longer a volcano. We don't know what the fuck it is. All right, this shit is all fresh and new to us. We got eyes and we got common sense. And that light is still flickering at the bottom. All right? Huh? Hmm. See that? See that? Notice that light is on, right? It's not, it stopped flickering. Okay, and so what is this, man? Oh, what the hell? All right, Nine Spiral bringing y'all close ups and everything with the help of the people that were brave enough or brave enough to post these video footages, all right? Because YouTube does not want this um, to come out, all right? We live, pop off, pop off. Up top, now, I want you to pay attention to the light flashes, all right? This was said to happen at the 1812 11 comet, right? You see those flashes in the lights? So we're just talking angels controlling the elements. Huh? Look at that. Okay, okay. Hanging out, huh? Hanging out in the east. See that? All right, let's rock. We live. Very interesting. Very interesting. Pay attention to the dragon swirl, y'all. Pay attention. You're gonna see it. Watch it. You see that? Uh, all right. Hauling ass, huh? And so, how can you be a scientist that study volcanoes? All right, it don't make sense. How can you be a meteorologist, right? See that? Just hanging, huh? Now, pay attention. We're live, y'all. We're live. Now, watch him, y'all, and watch the reaction to the volcano. Watch it and tell me they're not manipulating, all right, or they don't have the keys to the elements, all right. Now look, see that? See that? You see that? He's cranking that shit. You see that? You see the motions he's making? He's cranking it. I see it, homie. See my homie doing it too. He know what's going on. You see that? Keep doing like this. All right. And so we're gonna stop playing these games in 2023. All they ever did was lie. That's it. All right, y'all. We're live. We're live at La Palma. See that? I got you. I got you. See, I got that old good Indian eye. You feel me? See that? See that? And so we're showing you, man. That's what we're doing. All we're doing is putting two and two together. That's it. Common sense. Let's rock. All right, now you're gonna have some of these dragons turning red as they reach a certain point. Let me see if he's one. Come on out of there. Come on, we see you. Come on, come on out of there. Show the people. There it is. See that? You can see the wings flapping, right? But watch this. Hmm? Right. Right, right, right. Yeah, you know I had to put eyes on that guy. You know I got him. Nine Spiral got him. Look at that. Now, what type of smokeless fire is he spitting? Y'all let me know. Wow. We can't make this shit up. All right, y'all. So y'all see what's going on? Welcome to La Palma, y'all. What I would like to know, all right, you see? You going in? You going in? You going in? He's in. What I would like to know is why in the world you got over 80 some thousand people living on a damn military dracon base? Cause that's all the fuck La Palma is, a fucking military base. It's a dragon cavern. Facts. All right, hanging in the ether like Jordan, huh? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. He gone. All right, y'all, we live. We're live. All right, let's follow my man, all right? Now, if I'm not mistaken, he labeled this something of what they used to call the back in World War II, Foo Fighters. All right, and so they would have fireballs fly along the planes back in World War II. All right, again, Jacob's ladder. All right, angels ascending and descending. All right, they were to guide mankind into the way the Most High wanted it to go. All right, so that's all they was doing. You know, we know that the Most High has, wow, given the earth over to the wicked. All right, but your mother and father above, they wrote the script. All right, so it ain't no tweaks and no nothing like that. All right, nice, nice. This is in La Palma. Look at that, y'all. Nice. All right. And so, y'all see this church? Do you see the church? Do you see this idol? You see this idol? All right. All idols must come down. All right. And we're here to see how it's going to happen. Mhm. How the Most High going to bring down this idol. Huh? We're going to show you. Trying to tell you. Psalm 66, verse 1 through 5. The Most High said, come see. Shit, come see. I have not spoken in secret since the beginning. We still whoop ass around here. All right? Now pay attention here. See that? See that? Now he gone. I got you. I got you. I got you. See if we can widen this thing up a little bit. All right. Here we can widen it up a little bit. I'm gonna bring him up out a little closer. All right. See that? This shit got to go, man. All wood and stone got to go. You see that? We just talking La Palma. All right. All right. Now peak game. Now peak game. I'm gonna show him. I'm gonna show you when it says swift, swift. Ye dracons of the night. All right. See him? Now it's already one that's tearing down the steeple. Gone. Now watch his buddy come out. Huh? And so we can't make this shit up. Uh-huh. All right, so what he's doing, he's zooming in on Mexico. All right, and so he's going to show the patterns. All right, in the earthquakes or the tremors or what have you. All right, and he's gonna show you the difference. I'm doing this just in case they blur this out. Again, this is my third attempt. All right, and I said, I might as well go ahead and just explain it, just in case uh, they do it this time, which is usually the case. Let's rock. Let's see. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Randy. Mm, mm. They think this is a game, man. Let's go. Miss me with it when the going gets tough. Naga don't move, I stand still. Yea, though I walk through the valley with grace, my enemies fall by the wayside. Persecute me and not get down and lay down. I fear none but the most high. Their shadow don't move me, comfort this mind. Say be man who you fooling. Step back and give me 6 feet shit. Social distance when you come around me. Don't make me rebuke you and send you back to whence you came. I'm a priest king from the order of Melchizedek. I demand respect to me, you're nothing. Every move you make, checkmate, not give me my crown. I'm calling your bluffing, yeah. From the belly of the beast, we break on through. Real talk can't hold my breath up. Remnant returning, cup barrel with truth. Our ancient love song calling. Going down me up at 432. Direct connection with the creator. No call, no waiting. Roll up on the gon' hit my cry by the way that a nigga vibrating. So enough in sync with above the barrier. There's a God beneath the firmament. My drag